This is the new Creator Score API by Coop Records built for the base team and the talent protocol team. The original request came in over here from Bradley, and he said talent is asking for a creator score to bring more on-chain reputation to creators, similar to their builder score. They want to include data from top platforms like Coop Records. They're interested in total creator revenue and unique minters and collectors. Where can this data be reliably found and sourced? They're open to the POV, and so I have gone ahead and built that endpoint. If you go to cooprecords.xyz/API/creator/score, we have the parameter of address, and then you can put in any address, and it returns back the earnings in ETH, earnings converted to USD, as well as the total collectors count for the musician. And so in this case, I'm showing Daniel Allen. You can also see over here, we've got 33 below, starting with F1A. And let's show you how you can actually get one of these artist addresses. You'll go onto the artist page, and from there you can find any artist that you would like on CoopRex. In this case, let's take someone like Sanholo. Take Sanholo, find any of their tracks. I'll take their Wholesome Written at Lost Lands, copy the address. I go over to Third Web to then get the contract, and from the contract you're going to look up the get royalties method for whatever the token is, any of the tokens. It shouldn't matter. What we're doing is we're taking the royalty recipients, putting it into 0x splits to then, because all of the tracks on CoopRex follow 0x splits, the first thing you do is you get a split, and then once you have the split you can then find one of the artist addresses. In this case it is a split between Sanholo Beats and CoopRex, so we can take sanholobeats.eth, copy that address, and then come back into the API, go to API/creator/score, !address equals that address. And here we can see Sanholo has received a total of 7.3 ETH. In USD, that's about $20,000, $19,450, and they have 13,000 collectors. If you have any questions, reach out to the CoopRex team or reach out on our GitHub to open up an issue. Thanks for tuning in.